Hi, I'm ABHA NARAIN. I'm the principal of ABHA NARAIN LAMBAH Associates. We are an architectural firm working in the field of conservation, new build, museum design and interiors. This year we have been working very hard on the most amazing palace project. It's the restoration of the LALBAGH Palace in Indore. And this palace is one of the finest palaces of the 18th and 19th century of the Holkar Maratha rulers. And what's really unique about it is that it probably is the finest extant French interior that we have in India. If I could travel back in time, I would want to go back and to the 40s and meet Jawaharlal Nehru. I think one of the projects that I've been invested in for a very long time is the Crawford Market. In 2007, we were appointed to the project, and it took us literally 10 years to get this started, and we are currently working on construction at site to redevelop a historic market.
BRINDA SOMAYA with NANDINI SOMAYA SEMPAT. Both of us of the SNK studio are very excited to be part of the AD100 for our project, the Bharat Petroleum Corporation headquarters in Bangladesh State.
It is a restoration project of a neoclassical and Art Deco building, and the complete revamp and refurbishment of the interiors as well. The project was spearheaded by our studio, but really was a collaboration with BPCL and working very close with them to understand their needs and their requirements. I think our special feature for this project was the sustainable works that we did for this project. We collaborated with Indian artists from all over the country and worked with them to innovate very contemporary artworks.
The one project I've always dreamed about doing in my own country, that is India, is building a museum for the Indus Valley civilization, or the Harappan civilization as it's now called.
I'm GURJIT Singh MATHAROO, and I am very happy to be part of AD100. When we travel, we choose small towns, villages, where we can meander around in the streets. What we find here is that materials are almost the same, local ones. Buildings are very similar to each other. However, each turn brings a new surprise. In our larger schemes, we try to imbibe the same thought and idea, that how we can bring this vernacular character into our buildings so that they are not monotonous but varying at every angle. Each house is somewhat different from the other. However, they use the same materials, they use the same techniques, so they are not expensive, but it adds to the interest in the people who are living there.
Hello, I'm Nisha Matthew Ghosh, and I'm going to talk about the Tiger project, which is the first of a series of 3 that really looks at the whole appropriation of the symbol of power, both socio-politically as well as culturally, and investigates perception change when you divest it of that just by dematerializing the skin. In one sense, it's also making references to the whole colonial practice of and the swagger associated with power, the practice of sort of skinning tigers and stuffing them in showcases, and really investigating at another level the dissipation of power that happens.
Hi, I'm Channa Daswata. Thank you, AD, for putting us on AD100 this year. And the projects done through my firm, MICD Associates, will be very close to my heart because it was done through the difficult times of the pandemic. Thanks again for putting us on AD100 2021.
Hi, I'm Soumya Keshavan. Delighted to be part of AD100 this year.